Modern AI assistants are brilliant at writing code, but they suffer from chronic amnesia. Every time you open a new terminal session, you're stuck in a loop, re-explaining your entire tech stack, your active sprints, and your project history before you can start working. The standard industry response is Retrieval Augmented Generation, or RAG, a process that dumps your entire codebase into a vector database for the AI to search. As this diagram illustrates, RAG breaks down at scale. Attempting to ingest and search every file at once creates massive token bloat, high operational costs, and frequent hallucinations. High-velocity performance relies on a persistent, zero-friction memory framework rather than a larger search engine. The agent harness, or Agentic OS, replaces traditional database friction with a structured context retention system. This system removes the need for bulky vector databases by using a highly organized flat markdown architecture. These styles live directly inside your Obsidian Vault, keeping your project data local and private. Placing the environment inside a structured vault transforms the AI from a temporary chatbot into a permanent operating system. This blueprint shows the three pillars of the ecosystem. Your Obsidian Vault acts as the OS, Claude Code is the CPU, and your custom CLI commands serve as the software. The moment you hit enter, these components execute a progressive disclosure boot sequence. First, the AI reads a root file, capped at under 300 lines, to learn your core instructions, coding standards, and navigation rules. Second, it scans a master registry. This provides a map of every document in your vault without requiring the AI to open or read the actual contents. Finally, it reads a compact 500-word hot cache to instantly load your active sprints and recent project decisions. This sequence grants the agent situational awareness before it attempts to execute a single task. Once the boot sequence is complete, the AI only reads and writes the specific files required for your current prompt. This surgical precision avoids the data retrieval methods of standard vector search, which often pull in thousands of irrelevant words. Standard RAG processes your entire library for every query. By isolating only the active 800-word context, the harness achieves a 95% reduction in active token usage. This efficiency makes interactions faster and less expensive, while significantly reducing the likelihood of RAG-based search hallucinations. System performance comes from forcing the AI to read only what matters right now. Persistent memory is only useful if it stays current, but manual documentation is a major time sink for developers. The Agentic OS handles this through a constitutional rule. Whenever the AI creates or alters a project file, it must update its own memory. It automatically logs new data into the master index, the hot cache, and the daily logs, without you having to prompt it. This creates a self-cleaning second brain that eliminates the burden of manual upkeep. Effective automation must include self-maintenance. A true agentic system cleans up after itself. With this auto-updating infrastructure in place, you can wire up complex, reusable workflows as simple slash commands. Commands like /dailybrief or /scriptwriter trigger a chain of actions that would otherwise require multiple manual prompts. You can even use /ingest to distill a raw audio transcript into formatted, cross-referenced wiki notes in a matter of seconds. You are now commanding a persistent, high-velocity operating system built for continuous momentum.